Hello, this is Elizabeth. That's Wylie. That's Meg. And Wylie and Meg are going to do a burp contest. Okay, up is Meg. Meg, everyone is waiting for you to burp in the burp contest.
Did you do your homework?
Yay! Okay. Ready? Okay. Go, Meg. Okay, it's my turn, actually.
Yeah, Will is off on Monday too, but he said
Matt said that's my office. Ryan and Matt are fighting.
Ryan.
Matt, the intern from the year before, is fighting with Ryan Gray,
Who's Matt?
the black guy. He was the intern the year before.